For this week's quick recipe, we'll be making HANANE'S baked fish parcels. For the filling, soak vermicelli in a bowl of boiling water for 5 minutes. Slice some mushrooms, parsley, green olives and garlic. Melt butter in a hot pan and fry white fish fillet for a few minutes. Break the fish into pieces and add small prawns to the pan. Season with salt and pepper and put in a bowl with the cooked vermicelli, which should be drained and chopped. Next, fry the mushrooms and olives with cumin and paprika. Adding tomato paste and fresh parsley to the mixture. Stir together and add to the bowl with a squeeze of lemon. Mix all ingredients well. For the wrappers, take a pastry sheet, brush with melted butter and add spoonfuls of the mixture at the bottom of your diamond shape. Brush the corners with a paste made from flour and water. Fold the 2 side corners across the middle and roll the pastry away from you into a tight parcel. Place the rolls on a baking tray and brush with butter or beaten egg. Put in the oven until crispy and golden brown. Garnish and serve alongside a salad. We recommend Claire's Liang Ban Cai, Asian Sesame Carrot Slaw.